Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to 5 Minutes in Japan with Lou. This afternoon, we are going to do some horse trekking with Dosanko horses. Dosanko is a native species from Hokkaido, supposed to have been brought from Honshu 400 years ago. And they've been left in Hokkaido accidentally, we don't know, but they lived, they survived the winter, and as such they are very, very strong horses. Size is between a normal horses and a pony. They are very strong, and as they are very used to be used as a working animal, so to carry stuff and to work in the farms. And yes, this activity is going to be kind of specialty of this area, the horse trekking. And today will be the first. We are going to do other horse trekking, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Just arrived. Look how beautiful these two Dosanko. Ah, very, very cute though.
心、
心、あ、
マインド。
heart ね。
馬はマインドコントロールで、
心だから。
心。
なるほど。
また今年この子たちも種付けしたから子供いる。
あ、いる。
来年また春。
I love them. They're very nice. A bit shorter than normal horses, but I have a great character.
友達は、ルルラン通り、ルルランロード、
はい。
あそこで見たって。2年前かな。
2年前ね。
親子。
なるほど。なるほど。
早朝。網？
上手ね、この馬たちね、本当に。
網？ああ。口開けよ。
いいですか？いいですか？
左足だけ。
OK。よいしょ。よいしょ。あ、OK。なるほど。涼しい。
秋になると鮭も登ってきます。
あ、そう、見た？はい、気をつけます。ありがとう。ああ、すごい。もう来ました。まだね。いつ来る？ああ、10月ね。あ、シーマフクロ見た？ああ、見てないね。けどいる。なるほど。はい、行こう。はい。はい。So funny. Up and down into the forest.
林行こう。
はい。行こう。頑張れ。おお。はい、頑張れ頑張れ。ああ、偉いよ。はい、おお。
なんかピクチャー撮る？
ああ、いいですか？
青空撮る。
Okay, we just finished our ride. It was very, very fun. Ao-chan. Her name is Ao-chan, meaning blue. And very, very well trained. Very easy to ride and very disciplined also. So it was very nice. Lucky day. Okay, I forgot one thing, that the price is about 50 euros for what we have done. It depends from the truck, so you can do longer things and as well shorter. And yes, next episode is gonna be very unique because it's something I can do only 2 times a year. See you soon.